So today we are here to review an unboxing of this chair which I purchased from EZbuy. Let's open up the box. It's not that heavy and the price was very attractive compared to purchase locally in Singapore. I paid about $96 for this chair and the shipping was about $13 to Singapore. So here are the content of the box. We have the backrest, main seat. Here is the stand. Looks quite solid. Footrest stand. And here is the main hydraulic jack. And the wheels. Let's put back the box aside and assemble the chair. There was no instruction manual in the box, so let's try how it goes. Looks quite simple. Fix the lifting hydraulic jack into the base. After that, let's put these wheels on the base. These are just snap-in type of wheels. You just need to push in, and you don't really need any tools for this assembly. It was good if there was some sort of instruction manual for the people who really need it, but for me it is okay, quite simple. And we're done with the base. Let's put the foot stand there. There's a bolt on the side and a rubber seal. You just need to open up the bolt and make sure that you don't miss the rubber seal. Tighten up the bolt. Next thing is to unwrap the seat plastic. They put it in a nice plastic packing. The box was also quite good and the items reached without any damage. I ordered 3 chairs and the shipping for all 3 chairs together was $13 from EZbuy. Okay, we are done with the bottom part of the seat. Let's open up the back of the seat. It is quite easy to put this back. There is a protective plastic film on the rod which I thought of removing. After that, you just need to tuck it into the slot and tighten up the bolt underneath. You don't need any tool to tighten up this bolt. You can just use your hand to tighten up. Let's slot it in. That's all. And then you need to just adjust the bolt. And we are done. The jack is working. Let's test it. Yep, quite comfortable. Nice. Rigid feel. Thumbs up. So let me know if you like this chair and my review, and you can ask your questions in the comment section below. This is the lever to bring the jack up and down, and the tilt lever to adjust the back position.